Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add text without using a text box in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's begin. So as you can see, I have a blank slide right over here without any text box or text. So usually if you want to insert text, you need to go to insert and then you have to select a text box. But if you don't want to enter a text box, you can just go to shapes right over here and then you can enter any kind of shape you want. Like I will choose an arrow shape from here, and then after choosing a shape, if you double click inside the shape, you will be able to type down anything that you want. Otherwise, you can also insert text without text box, but then you will have to go to insert option and then you'll have to import picture, which means your text will be in picture format and then you are importing a picture. However, I already have an image copied in my clipboard, so I'm going to right click and paste down the image that I have copied. So as you can see, I have the image pasted, but it's actually a text image. So that's how I can also insert text in my Microsoft PowerPoint by just pasting an image that is a text. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.